Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful body wave 13x4 HD lace wig. I did not use any glue on this wig. Actually, I used the Got To Be spray, and I actually did a new method of installing my wig. I didn't do the typical way that I normally do, so if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching. Also, this wig did come curled, so I didn't need to curl anything. Like, all I did was install the wig, didn't need to bleach it. All I had to do was pluck the wig and install it on my head. But before we jump into the installation process, like always, I will be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So if you guys are supposed to purchase this wig, then this is what you would get in your package as well. So this is the box. We all know the purple box. Inside the box, they sent me some hot comb. I have a hot comb that's really hot, so I don't really use this one. But if you guys do not have a hot comb, then you are in luck, because you'll be getting one inside your package. So they also sent me some lashes. They sent me some bonnet. This bonnet is reversible as well, so you can also wear it on the other side. They sent some stocking cap, some headband, and some baby hair comb. So that is what they sent me inside the package. Now if you guys would love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to quickly stop in the middle of my video just to tell you guys how to fix the problem of your wigs being too small. Sometimes the wig companies, they try their best to send you wigs that will fit your head, but unfortunately not all wigs actually fit, and sometimes you think your head is one head size, and then when the wig comes, it doesn't fit properly. So just like this wig, it's not really fitting properly from ear to ear. So I know if I'm supposed to glue it down, spray it down, tack it down, whatever, it will be pulling eventually. So what I normally do is, when the wig is too tight, and when I mean too tight, I mean like it's not really sitting on my head at the front right here. So even this side is sitting, but this side is all the way back. So in order to fix that, what I'm going to do is pretty much snap the back part of the wig. So this is how I want it to lay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the wig right here, and the back part that is sewn on to the wig right here, I'm just going to snip it a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want, when you're like laying it, you don't want it to show that the hair is torn or anything like that. So don't do it too much, just a little bit. Just take your time and snip like a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Oh, so it snips, and now it feels a little bit looser. I'm going to have to probably snip it a little bit more, but I'm going to do this side first so it lays flat on both the sides of my head.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. basis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. I'm in the car from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that work. When you walk out, la. I'm in the car from my church.
Yeah.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being
Okay guys, so for the most part the curling is pretty much still holding up. This unit did come pre-curled. If I didn't mention that, it did come pre-curled. And yeah, right now I am pretty much just combing out the curls and they are literally holding up. For me, I just feel like I'm gonna recurl the front part a bit just because I want the front part to lay a certain way, but for the most part the curls are still there literally, and I'm combing them up and they're just like forming back. It's so pretty, gorgeous, like literally so gorgeous, so nice. And I'm just literally running my hands through it. But okay, I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'll be back. So this is the final look. Once again, I would love to thank luvmehair for sponsoring this video. If you guys would love to purchase this wig, then definitely check the description box. But for now, this is the end and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.